Hey lovelies, welcome back to another segment. So on this segment, I want to speak about this wonderful herb known as Blue Vervain, and the scientific name of it is Verbena astata. So if you are just seeing me for the first time, consider subscribing to the channel. It is completely free, and turn on your notification bell. Blue Vervain is said to be originated in the Americas. This herb is said to grow mainly in swamp area. It grows along the stream and along river banks. Blue vervain is very good herbs. It has been utilized by a lot of cultures for many years. It is a diuretic, meaning it helps you to pass water, and it also helps to relieve your body of toxin, because whenever herbs is said to help pass water, that means it keeps your body going, it keeps flushing your system, it flush your urinary system. With that said, blue vervain also helps to protect your urinary tract. So blue vervain is also nervine. So nervine herbs are herbs to that helps with your nervous system. So nervine herbs are herbs that help with your nervous system. So if you have nerves issue, any kind of shaking disorder, it is always good to have blue vervain. Blue vervain helps your body to deal with stress. It helps your body to deal with sleeping disorder. If you're suffering from insomnia, restlessness, fatigue, it is highly recommended to have blue vervain. You can make use of it as a tea. You can make use of the leaves as a tea, and you can as well make a texture as well. And you can get the fresh leaves, you dry it. After drying it, you grind the leaves, and you can use it to make capsule. It helps lactating moms to produce more milk for the baby, and it helps men with their prostate. So if you're a man and you have any issue like prostate enlargement, just get your blue vervain, make a tea with it and have it. It helps men with their prostate. And it also one of those herbs that I would recommend. I'll say is a wonderful herb. So include it in your daily diet. Make sure that it is part of your family's diet. Blue vervain tea is very good. It's a wonderful herb. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.